Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to request access and manage access requests in Google Drive. Have you ever found yourself trying to open a file in Google Drive, only to be stopped by a pesky access restriction? Whether you're trying to get access to a file or folder or managing who gets a peek at your own documents, this video will guide you through the steps to make this process a breeze. We'll cover everything from sending out a request for access to handling those requests like a pro. So let's dive right in. First, let's explore how you can request access to a file or folder in Google Drive. Picture this. You click on a file, eager to see what's inside, but suddenly realize you can't open it because the permissions are locked. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. Here's what you need to do. Start by either clicking the link to the file or navigating directly to it within your Google Drive. If you encounter a message saying you need access, don't panic. Simply click on the button that says Request Access. Once you click, a pop-up will appear. Here, you have the chance to add a message for the file owner. This is useful if you want to explain why you need access or provide any specific details that might help your case. After adding your message, hit the Send button. Your request will be sent off to the file's owner or someone with the authority to approve it. They will receive an email notification, usually from an address like drive-shares-dm-no-reply@google.com. Until you hear back, you'll likely see a message saying Request Pending on your screen. And that's all there is to it from the requester's side. Now, let's switch gears and talk about what happens if you're on the other end, as the file owner or someone with sharing permissions. When someone requests access to your file, you'll typically get an email notification. In some cases, this email might allow you to respond directly from your inbox, thanks to a handy feature in Gmail. This can be especially useful when you're on the move and need to manage permissions quickly. For more thorough control, log into your Google Drive's web interface. On the left-hand panel, you'll find an option labeled Activity. Clicking on this will display any pending access approvals that need your attention. To address these requests, open the specific file or folder. Then, navigate to the Share or Manage Access settings. Here, you'll see a list of people who have access and those who are requesting it. Depending on your Google Drive plan or version, this interface might look slightly different. For each request, you have choices to make. You can approve the request, deciding on the level of access the requester will have, whether as a viewer, commenter, or editor. If you prefer to deny the request, simply choose the option to reject it. You can also add a note explaining your decision, which can be a courteous way to communicate any necessary information or to welcome the requester if you're granting access. Once your decision is made, the requester will be notified. If you've approved their request, they will see that the file link is now accessible. If you denied it, the link will remain off limits. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to request access to files in Google Drive and manage those requests if you're on the other side. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to request access and manage access requests in Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online so you never miss an update.